Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is a June 2021, wherein 12 and topic is integration. So we need to find volume, but make sure we have a here y source, y square subject. Okay. And what is the volume of if something, if any curve rotate about x-axis, for example, this, right, rotate about x-axis. The formula is volume is equals to pi and x1, x2, y to power dx. Okay, even he mentioned about x-axis, you can see here. So it means problem is plan is very simple. I need a y square, which is luckily already available. X1. But thing is that it's not the only curve. There's a line also available. This line. Some students don't know. I just tell you what equation of x-axis. Y is equals to 0. If line go through half here, half, y is equals to half. If line go through 1, so y is equals to 1. So what is technique to do this kind of area or to volume? Sorry. So we have a formula, and because I have two things here, this is y is equals to 1. And this part I want to know it if I rotate, like I get this kind of a shape, this kind of cylindrical shape. So how to get this kind of cylindrical shape and volume? So formula is very clear. So volume part is very clear. Pi x1 x2 y square. I mean curve, and then minus pi x1 x2 again y square dx. But this y square will come from here, and this y square will come from here, because above the shaded part area, curve is above and line is below. So that is why curve minus line. So plan is so simple. Plug in the values, pi here, and lower value is at this point of intersection. So this point is our starting value, ending value is 5. So upper value is confirmed 5. I'm plugging here 5. Okay, and but lower value we don't know. So to get this x value, what I will do, I will solve them simultaneously. So let's see how we can solve them simultaneously to get the x value. So first of all, I will plug in this one in the place of this y square, because here they are intersecting. So this and this, equating them. So when I equate them, so I get I have plugged this one value in the place of this y square. Actually, it's y square equal to x plus 2. When I put in the place of y1 here, so sorry, this is minus, not plus.
Yes.
Sorry, is a plus? Yes, this minus sign. Okay, this minus sign. Now this 2 goes there, so it means x is equals to 3. So it means understood that this point is 3. The lower value is 3, upper value is 5. So 3 to 5, and this y square is a curve, so x minus 2 comes in the place of that. Done. Again pi. Now this y square is this one, so it means 1 square dx, and limit is what? 3 to 5. Just matter of solving now. Increase the power by 1, divide by 2, because simple x. And this 2 becomes 2x, and limit is 3 to 5. This is called curve integration. And now I'm going to integration and what is 1 square is 1. And what 1 integration is called x only. 3 to 5. So I'm going to solve. So volume part, I do here, right hand side. So volume part is equals to, first of all, 5 plug in all values of x. So when I solve all values of x, so 5 replace in both values of x. So when I type in calculator, it becomes 25 divided by 2 minus 5 2 is a 10. So I get a first fraction is coming pi outside. Inside I got a 5 over 2 minus. Now I put 3 in the place of both x's. So 9 divided by 2 and minus 3 2 is a 6. I get negative 3 by 2. This is the first part done. Now I'll discuss this one. So 5 in the place of x, 5. and then lower limit 3. I get indirectly 2. Okay, what about this one? So it is, we solve it 5 divided by 2 and plus 3 divided by 2. I got a 4 pi. So this turned to be 4 pi, 4 pi. And this turned to be 2 pi. And ultimately volume becomes 2 pi unit cube. 2 pi unit cube.
So why are we taking pi again?
My son, because pi is outside for the both equations. So that is why this pi is continue further and is carry on till end of question. I think you got the point.
Okay, okay.
So this is, I think, our point is very clear. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Question is completely over.